Hello, good morning, welcome back, dears. So today we'll see what we'll see in revision. Okay, so let's start a revision. Okay, so we'll talk about article. Okay, I will show you two articles important for exam. So my dears, first thing you have to learn everything. Okay, you are a student of board standard, you must learn everything. Okay, everything is important for you. Second thing, in article we'll see overusing mobile or what name, developing reading habit. Both things are connected to each other nowadays. Yes, we have only one means. On the mean we have dependency, mobile phone. Okay, without mobile phone, and if we talk about this pandemic situation, so mobile is must and necessary for us. But you should just watch the mobile for limited time hours, not in limited unlimited time hours. Okay, not to be use mobile phone. Okay, too much, otherwise your eyes gets spoil. Okay, your eyes gets problem then. Okay, and maybe you will suffer from migraine pain. So then it should be in limited hours, and just watch the things that are beneficial for you. Means you should watch about study material, you should watch about studious thing on different YouTube website. Okay, or mobile. Otherwise, if you are just if you have time for studying but you are watching movies and different things and programs, live shows, so it will not good for you. Okay, you are wasting your time and muscles also, because the rays, okay, the harmful rays of mobile also infecting you and your mind. Okay, because when the internet works, so that time lots of transaction, okay, were there. Okay, so due to the lots of transaction, maybe the mobile gets cheated, okay. You feel that how the mobile get heated. Okay, so it can cause you, it can harm you. Okay, it can harm your senses or your mind, or your soft senses in your mind or body. Okay, so that's why we are requesting you to not to use mobile, okay, too much. And if we talk about developing reading habit, okay, so a reading makes perfect man. Okay, and that's why we should adopt this uh, habit. Okay, developing reading habit, we should develop reading habit in us. And not you should not learn only, you should not read only your syllabus. Apart from syllabus also you should learn, like you can learn religious, political, social, economical, okay, related to sports, glamour. Okay, you can learn these things also. Okay, apart from your syllabus. So then nowadays the field of knowledge expanding day by day. In every minute, field of knowledge expanding, okay, and extending. So that's why we should be updated. Okay, for keeping yourself update, you must read extra. Okay, you should read extra, and reading makes you perfect. Okay, so we'll see two articles by our solution. So using cell phone, a dilemma. Okay, dilemma means a problem, a threat, a warning. So using a cell phone, a dilemma. So cell phone have become basic need. Yes, nowadays for a student, cell phone is basic need. Okay, you cannot live without it. Okay, everyone is seen busy. Everyone is busy. Huh? No one has time to talk, to listen anyone. Okay, and now with it every time, in a very short duration of not more than a few decades, it has occupied the center stage. Yes, if we talk about the last decade, so in very short time period, mobile has a good name or fame. Mobile has been very popular. Okay, in last decade. Okay, it is a born in communication technology. Yes, who born mobile phone? Communication technology. We have to talk to far off or nearby place, so we invented mobile phone. But now we are using mobile phone not only for communication purpose. We are dealing with different field of knowledge. We are learning, we are studying by it, we are shopping by it. Okay, it has made easy access to the whole world at fingertips. Yes, now whole world at your fingertips. Okay, now the whole world means you can shop here to there, you can start business by using mobile. Okay, you can buy anything from any part of the world easily by using your fingertips. Means your means whole the world is at your fingertips. Okay, on your mobile. Now with the advancement of technology, it has become a mini computer, a complete media house. Okay, and a device for social networking. Yes, we use social networking site, WhatsApp, Facebook. Okay, you learn, you know better than me. Okay, you know more than me about it. So it has become a mini computer. Yes. Our cell phone, our smartphone is like a palm top. Okay, we kept on our palm and using. Okay, for different things. Okay, so now it has become mini computer. Yes, our smartphone is mini computer because you can do same thing by mobile or by your smartphone. Okay, same purpose we have in mobile. It has made our life connected to everyone all the time, but we cannot deny that it has also damaged us. Yes, it can connect our world to whole world. Okay, but you cannot deny that it causes harm. Yes, it damage something in us. Yes, sometimes it damage our relationship. Okay, to our family because we were busy, we didn't pay attention for family, and we had got suffering in our family. Okay, we use it while driving. Yes, we use it. If suppose we use while driving, so causes of accidents. Okay, we use it in office and hamper our prime duty. Okay, we use it in office but hamper our primary duty. Sticking to cell phone also damage our nerve system. Yes, sticking, when we stick, if someone sticks cell phone for long time or hold your whole night, so yes, it causes disturbing your nervous system. Okay, and maybe you lose your concentration. Sometimes we are vexed. Yes, we I have seen, or you have seen, many people, many student like begs. Okay, they turn to statue when they had mobile phone. Okay, if suppose they are playing any game and they are just walking, so they stop if they have something complete in within short time period. Okay, they didn't walk up to their task completed. Okay, so mobile phone has both, everything has two sides, like a coin has two sides, I didn't tell. So everything has two sides, bright or dark. Okay, so it is a technology. Yeah? We should be a master of the technology. Okay, but science is good servant but a bad master. Huh? So you should make it your servant, means whenever you want, so you use other. Okay, we need to be wise while using. You need to be wise while using. A great care is needed. Yes, you needed a great care while using mobile phone. Okay, next, developing reading habit. Ways to promote reading. Ways to promote reading. Okay. So since a few decades, okay, has been a major concern that there has been a rapid decline in the reading habit among us children. Yes, if we talk about past some decades, so children lost this habit. Okay, children ignore reading other than their syllabus. Even they are not reading their syllabus also. So how they can read the extra curriculum and extra book? Okay, so it is a big threat. Okay, since last decade, or for last decade, the reading habits totally ignored. Okay, as reading is a bliss and gives the real ecstasy, it should be maintained. Yes, it gives joy, pleasure, and merriment, and give us extra knowledge for the things. It makes us update. Okay, otherwise, we will outdated. Okay, and today you can see day to day and run fast, run competition. So how you can deal with the world? How you can compete with the world if you are not updated? Okay. However, due to the thrilling and exciting TV program, children are diverted. Yes, children are fond of watching TV serial and program, so they just ignored developing reading habits or extra reading habits. They pay all their attention in TV, okay, than reading. Okay. Moreover, books are becoming costly. Yes, there is one more thing. Books are also very costly nowadays. We cannot buy directly. Okay. It also causes this decline. Yes. You can tell that there is one more aspect to decline reading habit about its cost. Okay. If the cost is higher, so how can buy books to read? Hence, there is need to promote, but it is a requirement to promote this habit by providing books at low price. Keep the book at low price, people will take it. Children should be attracted to the library by arranging various entertainment come educational program there. What about the children? So we just keep the children too fond of uh, library. Okay, keep your library updated, keep your library entertaining. Okay, if you have entertaining libraries, so children must go there. Okay, children will eagerly go there. Okay, children will eager to go there if you have entertaining library. So you can connect children to the library by using entertaining way in library. Okay, and reading makes men perfect. Okay, so apart from syllabus, the children and everyone must learn or read different book. Okay, like that you can develop your reading habit. So we can read. We have different subject because uh, field of knowledge expanding very fast day by day. Okay, in every single minute you may have a different field of knowledge. Okay, so that's why you must be updated with the time. Okay, for that you needed to develop your reading habit. Okay, so you should learn both the article, given in today's video. Thank you.